Got a minute? Let's draw the brain. What is the brain? The brain is an organ responsible for our speech, movement, behavior, temperature, and memories. The brain consists of 3 parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. The cerebrum consists of 4 parts: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Now let's draw each part. At the front of the cerebrum is the frontal lobe. Draw a left flattened oval. At the back of the cerebrum is the occipital lobe. Draw a right flattened oval. Between the frontal and occipital lobe is the parietal lobe. Draw a flat bottom oval between the top half of the frontal and occipital lobe. Under the parietal lobe is the temporal lobe. Draw a horizontal oval the same size as the parietal lobe. Under the occipital lobe and part of the temporal lobe is the cerebellum. Draw an egg-shaped oval leaning to the right. Next to the cerebellum, under the temporal lobe, is the brain stem. Draw a P shape. Draw cloudy outlines around the lobes. Put all the parts together, and you have the brain. For more lessons like this, visit Arts and Anatomy website. Get started now.